Okay, let's look at the structure of the heart. You can see on the screen we've got a very simplistic diagram of the heart, and we're going to look at the names of the 4 chambers, locate the valves and the 4 major vessels that take the blood into and out of the heart. As you look directly at the screen or at the page, your left side that you're looking straight at is always the right side of the heart. So you've got to imagine it's flipped and is in your chest, and then here is the left side. So we'll start with the chambers, and we'll start with the left side of the heart. You can also usually detect which is the left side and the right side, because the left side at the bottom has a thicker muscular wall. Okay, so this is always a left side. So let's start with the left ventricle, which is down at the bottom here, and then opposite we've got the right ventricle. All these are labelled down the side as well. Then we've got the left atrium and the right atrium. So they're the 4 chambers. Now for the valves, you've got 4 valves that you need to know. We've got one located between the top and the bottom chamber on the left side, and also between the top and bottom chamber on the right side, and then up here in the arteries where the blood would leave. Now for the vessels, if we start with the vena cava on the right hand side, so this would carry the deoxygenated blood in here through the vena cava, down through the right atrium, to the right ventricle, and up and out of the pulmonary artery. The blood would travel up to the lungs to pick up more oxygen, and then it would come back down and in here through the pulmonary vein. The blood would then move from the left atrium down to the left ventricle, and then finally it would go up and out of the aorta, which is a huge artery that would take the rich oxygenated blood all around the body to the cells where it's needed. So remember the rule that arteries carry the blood away from the heart and veins take the blood into the heart in most cases. So here for a slightly more complex version of the heart. Now